Hi, my name is John Leland, and I want to welcome you to iPad-PLAY. This is my new adventure with this beautiful new iPad Pro, and I've got turned on to the machine and also to some of the great new apps that have come out, including a sketching app called Procreate, GarageBand, because I sometimes fool around with the ukulele and I want to experiment with music. And I've been doing video for a long time. I'm an online marketer, but this is not that. This is actually an experiment, an experience in playing with the iPad, and I can do it. That means you can do it, and if you want to, we can experiment with doing it together. I would love to hear about your experiments and creativity, and I'm gonna use this as a way to walk my talk around doing regular video. I haven't decided on a day of the week yet, but my intention is that if there's good feedback, this will become a weekly series. It's already a website. I sketched my own logo on this iPad at ipad-play.com, and I hope you'll join me on this adventure. Thanks for watching.